you're using Ingest to handle your background jobs, first create an account in Ingest. After creating an account, click on sync a new app, click on sync with Vercel, or if you are using some other hosting platform, you can follow their guide I have mentioned in the description of the video. Click on go to Vercel configuration. After that, you will be prompted to connect your Vercel account with Ingest, and after connecting it, you will be landed on this screen where you have to configure the ingest for this particular project. So click on configure and toggle this. Let's click on save configuration. Now we can see that changes have been saved. After that, we have to put the deployment protection key here. And in order to get the deployment protection key, go on your Vercel project, click on settings, go to deployment protection, scroll down. Here you will be able to see protection bypass for automation. Click on add secret. Now let's click on save. Here we will be able to see the bypass secret, and we should be able to copy it by clicking on click on reveal and copying it. After that, we have to paste it here. You might also want to enter the domain name where the product has been deployed. So after adding this information, you'll be able to see that your app has been synced. Let's reload this page. Here you can see your app has been synced. If in any case your application is still not deployed, what you can do is you can click on this three dot menu and click on redeploy in order to redeploy your Vercel application. So that way your ingest and your Vercel can be connected, and this is how you can deploy your ingest application.